These are a few of my favorite things.
Hi, welcome to My Favorite Things, a series where I'll share the best of Richmond homes. Every house has something special. Today, I'm at a fantastic townhouse condo in Short Pump. It was built in 2023 and it is move-in ready. I'm going to show you some of my favorite things in this house today, and I know you're going to love it as much as I do. So I'm here in the kitchen and I'm going to show you my first favorite thing. So this kitchen has a seamless marble backsplash. You see that? It's floor to ceiling. It's just one piece of marble and it's just fantastic. It's not only stylish, but it's really easy to clean and maintain. All right, my next favorite thing is this porch. This is a fantastic top level porch right off of the main living area, and it has an accordion door. It's amazing. It opens all the way across. You can see the whole room and just get outside. And then it has a pull down screened in porch that allows you to have some privacy and also keep any bugs out. It's got a fireplace and a seating area. I mean, this is the perfect thing for Richmond's really long spring and fall. All right, we're gonna go out the door. It has a regular door too, so that's nice. Look at that fireplace. Is that amazing? That would be lovely. And you've got this great view, a little park down there. It's really big. It's like a whole nother room on your house. All right, my next favorite thing is this elevator. So this is a 3rd and 4th floor condo, which is really amazing. That's how you get the great views and the great light. But the stairs can be a little bit much at times. But it's got an elevator, so you don't have to worry about that. You can put all your groceries in there at the end of a long day, send them on up to the top. Maybe you have a little race to the top, see if you can beat the elevator to the top. But let me show you this thing. It's really well done. It's got a lot of safety features and just brings so much convenience to living in a condo. Here's the elevator. So you open the door and it's got a nice safety gate, so you can move that out of the way. And look at this thing. It's spacious, it's beautiful. You can get up and down all the floors. Really nicely done. All right. Now, the next fantastic, fabulous thing in this house is this master bath. This shower is amazing. It's fantastic because you can just walk right into it, nice low level. It's got a little seat for you. It's got 2 shower heads, a really pretty stone floor, and the bathroom is just really well appointed overall, but this shower is a favorite thing for sure. It's got the really pretty stone on the floor. Got the 2 shower heads. And then I really like, this is simple white clean subway tile, really easy to take care of, and that bench, that's money right there. This home is located steps from great restaurants and coffee shops, grocery stores like Whole Foods and Trader Joe's, and shopping along quaint streets. You can take in nature with scenic walking paths and stroll to the lake. ACAC Fitness is nearby, and the whole area offers unmatched walkability and convenience. Enjoy all the amenities West Broad Village has to offer while living in a modern, upscale setting. So now you've heard my favorite things about this place. If you're so excited that you want to learn more, please reach out to Julia Morrison or I. 117B Welly Hill Place in Richmond, Virginia could be yours for $724,900.
These are a few of my favorite things.